High-speed components and assemblies are enabling the future of in-vehicle networking. OEMs are adding high-resolution radars, lidars, cameras, and other sensors onto vehicles to support more sophisticated automated driving capabilities, creating high-bandwidth streams of data to centralized compute platforms. Enabling the seamless transmission of that data within the vehicle is critical. Aptiv's data connectivity solutions include a complete portfolio of housings, headers, terminals, and cable assemblies. Aptiv offers 2-wire unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair solutions. Our AMEC connectors are a modular Ethernet solution with data transmission rates up to 1 gigabit per second. High-speed modular twisted pair data, or H-MTD connectors, support data transmission rates up to 20 GHz. We offer fully shielded and unshielded solutions, as well as sealed and unsealed options that are interface and cavity compatible with other market offerings. We also provide multi-port options with connector position assurance and various clip slots. Aptiv also offers Coax one-wire solutions, such as Mini Coax Automotive, or MCA. These connectors can support speeds up to 15 GHz and represent a compact and reliable high-speed system for cameras, displays, and antennas. Aptiv provides solutions which are interface and cavity compatible with all market offerings. We offer straight and vertical headers, wiring connectors and inlines, as well as sealed and unsealed solutions. High-speed FACRA, or HSF, supports multi-gigabit data rates and power over coax for a simpler design. Aptiv also offers hybrid solutions, combining power, data, and signal lines into a single hybrid connector to reduce package size and assembly time. Our modular connectors accommodate various modules, terminals, and high-speed data ports. They are a key enabler for harness automation with flexible and scalable solutions. Leveraging our recognized manufacturing expertise, Aptiv can deliver full quality control over the signal integrity of our high-speed data connectivity products. We are enabling the future of high data rate and modular interconnect systems, allowing seamless transmission of gigabits of data, benefiting from Aptiv's full system expertise and mobility solutions.